24 then, we've got a long expression here. I'm not going to read it out, but we've got fifths, we've got sevenths, and we've got halves. Now 5, 7 and 2, if you multiply them together, because they're all different, 35 times 2 is 70. So if I scale everything up by 70, we'll get rid of the fractions in one fell swoop. So let's do that then. So we're going to times the equation by 70. So 70 of these, well, 5's going to 70 14 times. So there's a 14 threes, which is 42 of 3c minus 1. 70 of these, for this one then, the 7 goes into 70 10 times, so it's effectively times in by 10. So that'll be minus 40, won't it? 2c plus 1, because 10 times 4 is 40. 70 of these is minus 210, because 3 70s are 210, times the 2c minus 1. And 70 of these, divide 70 by 2, you get 35 with a minus, don't you? Because there's a minus there. And that's 3 minus 8c. There we go. So what do we get? 342s. 340 is 120, 3 2s are 6, so 126c. The second term, minus 42 times 1, which is minus 42. 40 times 2 is 80 with a minus, 80 and a c. And then minus times a plus is a minus, 41's a 40. Minus 210 times 2, just double it then with a minus. That's 420 lots of c. Minus times a minus is a plus. 210 times 1 is 210. Minus 35 times 3. 3 30s are 90, 3 5s are 15. 90 and 15 is 105, and there's a minus there. So that's minus 105. And then the last term, minus times a minus is a plus. 8 35s, or 8 30s are 240. And 8 5s are 40. 240 and 40 is 280. So it's 280c. Now, let's be careful here. Oh, we've got plenty of positive c's on this side. Oh, that's a negative c. And that's by far the biggest term. So I'm going to move that over to the left. So on the left hand, we've got 126c. That's that one there. And then we've got minus 80c. That's that one. And then we're going to move this over so it becomes a plus for 420c, and then we're also going to move the 280 over and flip its sign, so it's minus 280c. So that was the c's taken care of, all 4 of them. And then the numbers move to the right hand side. 42 goes over and flips a sign to plus 42. The same with the minus 40, becomes plus 40 on the other side. We've got a 210 there, and we've got a minus 105, haven't we? So what have we got then? Not very nice, really. We've got 420. Well, minus 80 and minus 280 is minus 360. 420 take 360 is 60. And 60 plus 126 is 186c. Right, on this side, 210 take 105. Well, that's just double it, so that's just 105. And that's 82. So 82 and 5 is 87, so it's 187. So c equals then, divide by the 186, you get 187 over 186. There we go. Good.